Hello everybody, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to zoom in on Premiere Pro. So let's start the video. At first, drag your video onto the timeline and click on it to select it. Now go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, find the Scale option. Now click the stopwatch button next to Scale. Then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and increase the below of scale. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.